Welcome to the Swayam MOOCs on Print and Broadcast Journalism. This is Dr. T. Satish Kumar from Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Usman University. Today in this lecture, I will talk about online journalism. This module is designed to provide insight on the definition of online journalism, types of multimedia, online content, exploring online and offline resources. Let's get started by defining the word online journalism. Online journalism uses World Wide Web as its platform to present its content. Online journalism can publish its content in real time. It can update breaking news and events as they happen anywhere in the world. Content presentation and updating in online journalism from around the world is much easy comparing to traditional journalism. It needs less logistics, its distribution cost is cheap and instantly available to the readers. Online publications can use shifted time. Online publications can publish and archive content for viewing instantly or later. Online multimedia comprises of text, graphics, sound, music, motion, video, animation, 3D, etc. Nature of online journalism is interactive. Hyperlinks in the web pages leads to another set of web pages with information. In online journalism, television, radio and other forms of new media interact. Convergence within journalism has changed the way journalists use internet. Immediacy of online journalism: if internet connection is available, news can be uploaded instantly. Internet facilitates the process, production, storing, retrieval and presentation of news. Skills and knowledge needed for online journalism are much more than traditional journalism. The internet provides a platform for various forms of news content: text, photos, videos, information, graphics, etc. Depending on the targeted readers and the audience, reporters use different types of content formats to narrate their stories. Content is packed in such a way that readers or audience are engaged and motivated to consume it. One of the advantages of online journalism is content can be posted in multiple formats. Given the nature of online journalism, a career in online journalism needs merit skills. You not only need to conceptualize the story but also package it to make it interesting to read or watch. For that, an aspirant needs to hone writing skills, get mastery over photography, videography and specific dedicated softwares. One should also have an idea of designing attractive reader-friendly web pages and methods of posting online content. People working in online journalism need to cultivate a habit of working in teams, as a single person will not have the skills needed to package a story to be posted on the internet. So professionals working in online journalism needs to extract work from other departments to complete a task. The online story is not uploading a news article to a website with a photo accompanying it. It contains at least one story in text format, may also include sidebars. It may include single photos or photo galleries, one or more videos or audio clippings, information graphics and other visual elements to enrich the story. Online journalism is continuously updated from time to time as news happens. Nowadays, reporters carry a camera to shoot events on the spot and upload to the site instantly. As there is intense competition among media houses to break stories first, special stories need a lot of time to create as it needs cooperation from various departments. Creativity is used to present the story visually rich to motivate the readers or viewers to go through it. Specialists in various fields have to come together to create content for online media. Online media has unlimited news hold, so in-depth and comprehensive coverage of news events can be done. Researching a story needs a lot of time to be done. Print media, TV and radio are evolved over many decades. They went through many innovations to come to present versions. Formats for them are evolved and more or less became standard all over the world. On the contrary, online media is evolving every day. New technology is being introduced for reporting, editing, presenting and posting content every other day. Online media is recalibrating itself to changing times. To be relevant, standardization of news formats for web is yet to take place. Internationally accepted guidelines for creating online content is still far from complete. Content generation technology is developing very fast and is yet to get stabilized. Online media is audio and visual in nature. It has to compete with other media platforms. One significant advantage of online media is interactivity. Readers or viewers can browse their interested content from anywhere at any time and any form. Types of multimedia content. Each variety of multimedia content format has certain advantages and disadvantages for readers or viewers. So depending on the content, the editor decides the format to be adopted to upload content so that readers or viewers engaged shall go through the content with effortless ease. Podcast. It is easy to record and distribute it among the listeners. It can be recorded spontaneously or a script can be written. It can be recorded in a studio or a mobile app and publish it to reach listeners instantly. Through music effects and voice modulation, listeners can be enticed to the podcast. Another advantage is that it can be heard on our mobile app or iPod, etc. time and again. Listeners can be engaged easily. Not much internet data is consumed. All the subjects under the sun can be discussed and posted as podcasts. Text format stories. Generally, this format is very popular and easy to develop and publish. Stories can be identified and written to make internet viewers enticed. Sidebars can be included to add in-depth information to the main text. Photo gallery can be added to make the text interesting. Infographics can also be integrated to explain the issue discussed in a simple way. Facts and figures can be built in to make it authentic and knowledge intensive. Videos and audios can be incorporated to make the story live and interesting. By using content formats suitable to platforms appealing to the internet, viewers make websites popular. Background information and analysis can be provided. Text can introduce a topic, summarize and present content in a meaningful way. Text stories provide background information to the main story. Text format is usually used from time immemorial to share information. Text stories can be understood easily by the common man. Editing text plays a crucial role in making the text understandable. Depending on the target reviewers, editing of the content has to be done. Photos. Internet is an audio-visual media. Photo is a visual media. A picture speaks more than thousands of words. It is very useful in communicating with the common man as it crosses the language barrier. Photos lure viewers as they offer a visual feast. If audio is added to these photos and video is made, no doubt it motivates viewers to go through it. Photos stir emotions. If appropriate photos are published relevant to the topic, they can create magic. Photos can set the mood to a topic and location. Not only in print media, both photos also capture sensitive moments and facial expressions more vividly and efficiently on the internet too. Photos connect with readers, give more human touch. Text and photos together with designing of a web page can entice the viewer. Online websites, photo galleries can be created for viewers. Through creativity, a story can be narrated using slideshows wherein photos are used in slideshows. Captions are written in slides to view them. The online platform gave freedom for ordinary people to exhibit their creativity, knowledge and skill. Photos can capture moments of life. The web has provided platforms to showcase the work of professional photographers. Disadvantages of photos. With the help of software, photos can be morphed and faked. They sometimes lack context. Stories can't always be told effectively due to the gathering of photos out of context. Furthermore, photos lack credibility. Videos. Today's generation is growing with videos. Videos are made for all subjects and all seasons. With the advent of internet, democratization of media took place. Anybody with a mobile can make a video and share it on social media. Advantages of video in an audio-visual media. Voice can also be recorded to a video. It looks natural to capture a scene. Video impresses the viewer than a photo. Because of powerful mobile features, mobile journalism and citizen journalism have become popular. These days, many free video editing softwares are available to edit a raw video. Some time back, media was not accessible to common man. Now, social media is accessible to common man who owns a smartphone, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram, etc., act as a social media platform to ordinary people. Many digital news channels use text, podcasts, and videos mainly. The print, the wire, the quint, and the scroll, etc., are popular Indian web news channels. Many individuals, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and gender, have started news channels on various topics under the sun. Disadvantages: to shoot and edit a video is time consuming. To explain complex issues, infographics are used in media, so the readers or viewers can easily understand. Graphs and charts are used to simplify text and graphs quickly. Readers or viewers, instead of reading text or viewing the video, go through infographics. Comparing information for many years can be easily explained with infographics. Usually, Adobe Flash is used to create interactive infographics supporting text. It knits different elements of a story package together into a cohesive whole. Content developers should provide photo video credits, captions to photographs or drawings, names of pictures, and headlines. Supporting text should connect distinct elements of the package. Formatting of the text should be done in such a way that it should motivate the readers to read. Elements of the page should be arranged keeping in view layout of the page. WordPress. It can be used to create a free site for all kinds of subjects. It can be customized for news sites. It can also be used to develop blogs. It can be created for all types of languages. Its architecture is simple and customized depending on our needs. One can sign up, create a domain name, username, and password. After creating an account, a dashboard helps in setting options for your site. News content can be uploaded into the site. Photos and videos can be added to our site. Inexpensive cameras can be used to take photos and videos. Free softwares can be used to edit them. Text can be written and edited in free softwares. Blogging. Blog is an online journal. It is a website where items are posted on regular basis in reverse chronological order. People can create their own blog and post their comments. There is no gatekeeping and filters for bloggers. There are various types of blogs. Online storytelling. It is the concepts used to develop content and distribute to targeted audience. Stories can be told in various formats. They are audio stories, narrative stories, live chats, quizzes and surveys, animated stories, interactive webcasts, and multimedia interactives, etc.